Is your AI agent just a generic brain in a jar? It's time to give it real intelligence. Welcome to Grounding Agents in Knowledge. In this comprehensive course, we move way beyond basic chatbots. We'll show you precisely how to securely connect that AI brain to your world, from public websites and locked PDF files to dynamic SharePoint sites and live enterprise databases. Don't settle for a toy. Build a specialized organizational expert. Master the fundamentals and unlock the true power of AI. Watch the full course to find out how. Welcome to this non-techie guide on knowledge grounding fundamentals. Let's walk through the visual. Starting with box 1, how it works. The agent uses generative AI to retrieve and summarize answers. But remember the golden rule, garbage in, garbage out. To get quality output, you must provide quality input. Moving over to box 2, the playground agent. When you begin with a blank agent, it initially relies on general knowledge, like knowing the capital of France. For business use, you should turn that general knowledge off. You don't want it giving random travel advice. You want it grounded strictly in your official company policy documents. Down in box 3, we have safety and fallbacks. There are built-in shields for content moderation that you can adjust from low to high. It also uses conversational boosting as a crucial fallback. This means if a user asks a question where there is no preset path, the agent automatically searches your connected sources to find the right answer. As the final checklist highlights, Copilot Studio ensures built-in safety rails, filters harmful content, and provides that automatic search fallback. Welcome to the non-techie guide on leveraging public websites. As our guide at the top shows, this is the fastest method for powering customer-facing agents. Looking at box 1, the process is simple. Just link your existing public website to the AI agent. It's ideal for answering FAQs about products or services that are already documented online. How does it happen? Moving to box 2, Copilot Studio uses Bing search to index the content. The agent effectively reads your site and keeps its knowledge updated automatically. However, as box 3 highlights, there are key rules. First, the site must have public access, no logins or paywalls. Second, adhere to the depth limit. The agent only goes 2 levels deep into your site structure. A great feature here is marking your site as an official source, adding a trust layer to the agent's answers. Finally, in box 4, welcome to the non-techie guide on uploading and managing files. As our guide at the top indicates, sometimes vital information isn't on a website. It's locked away in PDFs, Word documents, or spreadsheets. Looking at quadrant 1, the solution is simple. Copilot Studio allows you to upload these locked files directly to your agent to liberate that data. However, as quadrant 2 illustrates, remember that directly uploaded files are static. If you update the V1 document on your computer, the AI doesn't know. You must re-upload it. This method is best for fixed documents like manuals. Moving to quadrant 3, you can group related files together, like separate product specs and FAQs into one folder. This allows the agent to search the entire set to find a cohesive answer. Finally, quadrant 4 highlights versatility. The agent supports standard Office documents and technical formats like CSV or JSON. Just note the warning icon. Images generally are not read by the AI. Welcome to the non-techie guide on using SharePoint and OneDrive, the gold standard for grounding your agent in internal knowledge. Let's start with box 1, the live link advantage. Unlike manually uploading static files, connecting to SharePoint creates a dynamic live link. This means when a team member updates a document in the cloud, the agent's knowledge base is updated instantly and automatically. Box 2 highlights a major security benefit. The agent respects existing permissions, known as ACLs. An authenticated user can only retrieve answers from documents they are authorized to see, like public policies. Restricted files like salary data remain completely blocked from the agent's responses. Finally, box 3 shows smarter search. If you have Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses, you enable semantic search. Instead of just basic keyword matching, the AI understands context and intent, finding the right document even if the user types slightly different terminology. Welcome to the most advanced form of grounding, connecting your agent to live enterprise data. Looking at the left side of the sketch, we see real-time connectors in action. Instead of reading a static document, the AI agent directly queries your live systems, like Salesforce, ServiceNow, or Dataverse. If a user asks a specific question, like, what's the status for Smith Corp., the agent doesn't have to scan through hundreds of files. It uses a real-time connector to look up that exact record in the database and immediately reports back the accurate, up-to-the-minute status. Now, look at the right side. When using Microsoft Dataverse, you can refine the AI's understanding. Database column names can be technical, like account num. By adding synonyms, you teach the AI that users mean customer ID. You can also create a glossary to define internal acronyms, ensuring the agent knows exactly what SOP means in your office context.
Welcome to the non-techie guide on best practices for knowledge management. As our guide at the top emphasizes, grounding an AI agent isn't a set-it-and-forget-it task. To maintain a high-performing AI, you must focus on 3 key pillars. First, look at the orange pillar. Audit your data regularly. You must actively remove outdated or duplicate files, such as having 2 different old vacation policies, to prevent the AI from providing incorrect answers. Second, in the blue pillar, use meaningful names. The AI gets confused by generic names like document_v2. Instead, use clear, descriptive file names like Employee Travel Policy 2026, so the AI knows exactly what is relevant. Finally, the green pillar. Start small. Begin in a sandbox or playground environment with just a few files. This allows you to catch AI hallucinations and fix issues early before scaling up to your entire enterprise system. By following these steps, you achieve the ultimate goal, transforming a simple chatbot into a sophisticated organizational brain.
Welcome to the course summary for grounding agents in knowledge. Look at the center. This is your AI agent. Remember the core principle. Garbage in equals garbage out. To get a trustworthy expert, you need quality inputs. As the bottom banner states, our goal is transforming generic AI into a specialized organizational expert by connecting the right sources. We covered 4 methods. Number 1, the fastest way, indexing public websites. Number 2, manually uploading static files. Number 3, the internal gold standard, SharePoint, with secure live links. And number 4, querying real-time enterprise data. By mastering these connections, you create a truly powerful, grounded AI.